Thanks, Dr. Rana, for asking this kind of questions from an IT person. Okay, but let me just say, thanks. See, I'm not from the IT, but let me share the experience of my organization. I'm coming from Meenakshi Mission Hospital. It is a non-profit organization in the southern part of Tamil Nadu. It's an 850-bed hospital. And I've been working there for last 2 years, and I'm actually general management guy from IIM Ahmedabad. Okay. So this organization, when I joined, it had more than 3,000 people working. And if you bring any management guy from a good business school, he'll not talk of IT, he will see the profit loss statement, and he'll do the value chain analysis. Where we are spending how much money. Yeah. Where we are spending how much money. Then we came to know we are paying for 3,000 people. But our organization didn't want to simply replace one software version with another software version. Then we decided we are going to change the IT vendors. But we didn't simply want to bring any new vendor. Then we hired one of a very well-known consultancy company, which very meticulously did the process mapping for the hospital. Okay, what is my capacity? Which kind of system we require at each and every area? Then we came to know, okay, we need this kind of customization, okay, for different IT solutions. Then we, called for the vendors. When we're looking for the vendors to, bring new system, we look for, some important criteria. Like one is switching cost. In the future, if we are going to, change the vendor, how comfortable my people will be. Then data migration is another issue. Because this hospital is 25-year-old organization, a lot of data are there. So these data, can be compatible with that or not. Apart from, the cost, which are spoken by the vendor, there are many hidden costs. Okay. What cost, my organization going to, incur during the life cycle? And also about, how prompt support they are going to give. Okay, so it's a complicated and cumbersome process. We have not yet transformed my IT system there, but still, it's so complicated. The IT people can better answer, how complicated it is.